Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on the review of Nigeria's Q3 2023 foreign trade in goods numbers. Last week, the National Bureau of Statistics published Nigeria's third quarter 2023, July to September, foreign trade in goods, physical goods, merchandise trade numbers, which revealed that total foreign trade improved by 54.6% or 6.6 trillion naira quarter on quarter to 18.8 trillion naira from 12.2 trillion naira recorded in the previous quarter, Q2 2023, July to September, and rose 53.2% or 6.5 trillion naira year on year relative to 12.3 trillion naira in Q3 2022. Foreign trade is all about imports and exports. Foreign trade is the exchange of capital, goods, and services across international borders or territory. All countries require goods and services to satisfy the wants of their people, and no one can produce all the goods and services it needs. The country must buy from other countries what it cannot produce or can produce less than its requirement, importing, and sell to other countries the goods that it has in surplus quantity, exporting. Based on the report, the total imports rose by 48% quarter on quarter to 8.4 trillion naira in Q3 2023 from 5.7 trillion naira in Q2 2023. Similarly, it increased by 33% year on year from 6.3 trillion naira in Q3 2022. The increase in the value of imports can be attributed to the devaluation of the naira at the official market. In the same vein, total export rose by 60.8% quarter on quarter to 10.3 trillion naira in Q3 2023 compared to 6.4 trillion naira in Q2 2023 and up to 74.4% year on year from 5.9 trillion naira recorded in Q3 2022. The quarter-on-quarter growth can be linked to the increase in oil production due to increased effort by the federal government to curb oil production theft. Oil production rose to 1.35 million barrels per day at the end of September relative to 1.21 million barrels per day at the end of June 2023. Total exports in the first 9 months of 2023 stands at 23.3 trillion naira. Nigeria's trade balance was positive. Export exceed imports at 1.9 trillion naira in Q3 2023, the highest since 2018. From 709 billion naira trade balance in Q2 2023, exports account for 55% of total trades, while imports were 45% in Q3 2023, compared to a ratio of 51.5% and 44.9% in Q2 2023. The increase in trade surplus can be attributed to the rise in oil production as well as non-oil exports. The total 5 trade destinations in Q3 2023 include export trade partners such as Spain 12.3% or 1.3 trillion naira, India 9.8% or 1 trillion naira, Netherlands 9.6% or 989 billion naira, Indonesia 7.3% or 759 billion naira, and France 7% or 720 billion naira. The top import trading partners include China 23% or 2 trillion naira, Belgium 12% or 997 billion naira, India 10% or 802 billion naira, Malta 7% or 561 billion naira, and the US 6% or 503 billion naira. Our thoughts: 1. The share of agriculture and manufacturing products to total exports stayed low at 3.4% and 2.3% respectively in Q3 2023, with the share of oil and oil-related products at 91.3%. This shows that the naira will continue to be susceptible to the dynamics in the oil market. 2. There was a significant drop of 67% quarter-on-quarter in the value of passengers motor cars imported to 271 billion naira in Q3 2023 from 810 billion naira in Q2 2023. This can be attributed to an increase in the price of motor cars combined with constraining consumer wallets due to higher inflation rates. This further corroborates the significant decline in the road transport subsector by negative 43% year-on-year in Q3 2023. 3. To improve non-oil exports, the government should come up with a clear blueprint, highlight the opportunities, and ensure implementation to grow Nigeria's share of export to diversify its FX sources. 4. The top major traded agricultural products in Q3 2023 were cocoa beans, 42 billion naira, flour buds, 36 billion naira, sesame seed, 23 billion naira. More efforts towards increasing the export of these products should be supported by the federal government. 5. Additionally, deliberate efforts to add value to our abundant resources are essential to earning more value from our exports rather than exporting raw materials and importing finished goods. This will boost employment in the country and reduce insecurity. 6. Remarkably, robust infrastructure, adequate power supply, and consistent policy, trade, fiscal, and monetary direction should be given more priority. 7. The private sector support is required to put this in place as government revenue continues to come under significant pressure. The sector can play a critical role in supporting the government's efforts by investing in value addition activities and promoting the export of locally manufactured products. In summary, President Tinubu's administration should intensify efforts towards addressing these challenges by prioritizing policies that support the growth of the manufacturing and agriculture sectors, promote value addition, and provide an enabling environment for businesses to thrive. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.